Okay, here's another scenario that I hear a lot when I am organizing closets, and that is, what if it comes back in style? And as a woman, I get that. And as a woman who's been around for a long time, I have seen things come and go in style, and inevitably everything comes back in style. I remember platform shoes from the 70s, and here they've been back for years. The point of it is how much room is it taking up in your closet? Because trends and styles could take 10 years to come back in style. So if you're holding on to something that doesn't fit you, even though you think it might come back in style, or you didn't love it to begin with, but it might come back in style, or you don't have the closet space. You just do not have the closet space to keep anything in your closet that you don't wear in the present time. It's time to let it go, even if it may come back in style.